Hola, bienvenidos a Expo Show. Hoy les presentaremos Solar Power International 2012, con los últimos adelantos en energía solar. Conferencias, workshops y más de 1000 expositores se dieron cita en el Orange County Convention Center en la ciudad de Orlando, Florida. Los invitamos a recorrerla para así descubrir juntos las últimas novedades en este campo.
Hi, I'm Rick Gilbert, the Vice President of SolarSource and also the President of SolarSource Institute. SolarSource is one of the largest and oldest commercial and residential solar installers in the Southeast United States, and SolarSource Institute is one of the more credentialed Department of Education licensed accredited solar training programs out there that we partner with lots of colleges and schools across North America to help them set up their own programs. So we believe that we need to train and build an army for the future of tomorrow. Our actual motto of the school is SolarSource Institute, Training for Our Future. SolarSource, our parent company, has been in business 29 years, established in 1984. We've done over 20,000 residential and commercial installations in the Southeast. Here at Solar Power International 2012 at the Orlando or Orange County Convention Center, couldn't be a more perfect fit for us because coincidentally this is the facility that we built the first rooftop megawatt system in the United States back in 2008. What I'm standing in front of here is the first rooftop ballasted megawatt system in the Southeast United States. We have 5,808 panels behind me here with minimal penetrations on the roof. You'll see ballast blocks, which are dense concrete 26-pound bricks that are actually holding this system down without penetrating the roof. You're able to avoid roof warranty issues, and you're also able to avoid leaks, which is very important to anybody with a commercial roof. This system is engineered, unlike other ballasted systems, to meet Florida wind code requirements, which at the time this was built in 2008 was 120 miles an hour. So when you build a ballasted system on a rooftop in Florida, it's very unique because you do have hurricanes, you do have tropical storms, and so there's a little additional engineering and weight required, but we're able to do it, and this is a very successful project. We're also giving solar tours of the megawatts, so we've been taking tour groups multiple times a day up to the roof and around the facility, showing them the megawatt system, showing them the system production, and there's actually a permanent educational display, a climate change center in the North-South Concourse. This show's been very successful for us, and we're really proud to be a part of it.
Nosotros somos de Brasil, una empresa de desarrollo de proyectos en la área de energía. Son proyectos de pequeñas centrales hidroeléctricas, energía solar, energía eólica y biomasa. Tenemos algunos acuerdos de tecnología con empresas acá de Estados Unidos. Estamos planeando hacer la primera implantación de una planta solar de concentración. El proyecto debe empezar en este próximo mes y debe estar listo al final del año de 2014 con una capacidad de producción de 30 megavatios.
¿Cómo nos puede comentar el crecimiento de Brasil durante los últimos 5 años en materia de energía renovable?
Mira, es una decisión del Estado brasileño de tener un monto de energía renovable y seguir con eso. Lo que es importante en Brasil es que casi que 80% de toda la energía generada es renovable por cuenta de la disponibilidad hidráulica que tenemos allá. Todavía los procesos de solar, eólica y pequeñas centrales siguen y hay un mercado increíble con muchas oportunidades en Brasil.
Solmetric makes test and measurement equipment for the solar industry. We're best known for this tool. It's called the SunEye. You take a SunEye out to a site to evaluate the shading of the site. It has a camera with a special fisheye lens, and you face it upward. So it takes pictures facing upward, to indicate where the shading objects are and how those are going to affect your site. So a lot of these companies will use this tool, bring it out on site so that they can take detailed readings, and then they use software to figure out how much energy production they have available and how much they're losing due to shading. And this could tell them either if they need to trim or remove trees, whether solar is even a good option for the site, and most importantly, how much energy they're going to be able to produce once they put modules on that site. The Sun Eye knows your location based on GPS, and so weather data and the sun path, or the sun's position in the sky throughout the whole year, are known for any site in the world. So you can use this anywhere you want.
There's actually a group called the International Solar Energy Society that has chapters throughout Latin America. I know they're in Mexico, I believe they're in Brazil, possibly Argentina. The idea is to educate consumers about solar energy, how important it is. It's a mainstream product now. It's a pocketbook issue. It's a way to cut your energy costs and do something that's good for you, for your community, for the world, and to do it in a way that is informed and that helps change public policy and the politics to allow the industry to grow, so that we are allied with the solar industry to expand the market.
That's great. Can you tell us how many years this society is founded?
This ASIS, the American Solar Energy Society, is the first organization in the field. We've been around for 58 years.
That's great.
Our members did their initial research on photovoltaic technology, which is the basis of all the solar panels, and continues to do a lot of the most innovative research in the industry.
That's great. Then can you tell us your point of view, how is the industry right now, and how can you see the advance of these energies during the next 5 years?
The industry is doubling every year. The industry is growing like this. The costs are coming down this year by 70% in 1 year. It's gone from a technology to a mainstream consumer product. People know about it. It's moving out of the residential area, which is where, at least in the US, it started. And now major commercial organizations, hotels, hospitals, municipal buildings, schools, are looking at how they put solar on their rooftops to manage energy costs for the future. So it's going mainstream in a big way. I think the biggest challenges now are not that the technology's in place, the costs are down, the challenges are government policies, bureaucracy. It adds, at least in the United States, in most states, it can add between 20 and 50% to the costs of installing, because there are so many approvals and filings and inspections that should not be necessary. I'm not sure what the situation is in Latin and South America, but in places like Germany, where they don't require it and their labor costs are as high or higher than the United States, you can order a solar system and 10 days later it's on your rooftop. While here, you can order a solar system and it can be 3 months to 1 year before you can get it in. That's a problem, and that's not a technology problem, that's a political problem. We are at www.ases.org. We're the source of unbiased information, lots of information about technology. We have a publication that's both online and in print called Solar Today, which covers all the technologies. We have another digital publication called Solar at Work that you can sign up for free. And we're starting a new publication called Solar Citizen, again digital, that you can access at the moment through our website. We're just launching that.